Dear students, last class we discussed nth terms of AP and sum of n terms of AP. So that few questions I collected, the questions asked for your seniors in midterm question papers and preparatory question papers, and question papers and questions are prepared by board examinations. So in that one question I collected here, the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Students are requested to write down the question, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. So this is the question, and this question belongs to 3 marks questions. See that the first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms. Let us write down the given data whatever he represented. That is given data, what he given. First term means what it is, A value, how much it is, 5, and last term means we can call it as AN or we can call it as L is equals to 45, and sum means SN value they given, how much it is, 400. What they need to find, number of terms means N is question mark. N is question mark. Now let us go for a related formula which is very familiar. First term and last term they represented, so that we know one formula. We know that what we know, Sn is equals to n by 2 of A plus L. Why? Because here first term and last term they represented, so I choose this formula. That is Sn value they given, how much it is, 400 is equals to n value we need to find, right as it is, n by 2 of A value. A means first term, that is 5, plus L means last term of the sequence, it is 45. So 400 is equals to n by 2 of 5 plus 45 becomes 50. Now 5 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 50. So that is, according to cross multiplication, 400 is equals to 25, n is there remaining. Now I will send 25 down of LHS. According to cross multiplication, what is the value of n? N is equals to 400 over 25. So that n is equals to 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 0. Again with 5 can divide. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 30 is there. So that 5 6 are 30. So that n is equals to 16. Therefore, finally we have to write down, the conclusion is there are 16 terms in the given sequence. Of an AP is 1 more than, the sixth term of an AP is 1 more than twice its eighth term. Twice its eighth term. If the 12th term of an AP is 47, full stop. Find its nth term. find its nth term. Question number 2. So the question is like this: the sixth term of an AP is 1 more than twice its eighth term. If the 12th term of an AP is 47, find its nth term. Yes, let us write down the given data whatever E represented. First, the sixth term of an AP is means about A6 E said. Sixth term means A6. A6 is 1 more than is equals to, is means is equals to 1 more than means plus 1, more than twice its eighth term. Twice means 2 times of eighth term means A8. Next, second one, and 12th term of an AP is 47 means A12 is equals to 47. Find its nth term. We need to find An is equals to question mark. How like it will be? So to find nth term means we must and should need A value and D value. So by using these two data, by what he represented, we need to find the value of A and D. So therefore, let us write down the general form of A6. A6 is A plus 5D is equals to, again 2 times of A8. General form of A8 is A plus 7D plus 1. Now solve it. A plus 5D is equals to 2 into A, 2A plus into plus plus 2 sevens are 14D plus 1. Now according to rule of transformation, send these two terms to that side. What it will become? 2A, this plus A will become minus A plus 14D plus 5D becomes minus 5D plus 1 is equals to 0. Now 2A minus 8 is A plus 14 minus 5. Unlike terms, like terms having unlike signs. 14 minus 5, it is 9. Larger number is 14 for plus is there, so plus A plus 9D. This plus 1 send that side. What it will become? Minus 1. So A plus 9D is equals to minus 1 we got. And in second one he given A12 is equal to 47. General form of A12 is A plus 11D is equals to 47. So here I have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Solve that two equations in two variables. That is what I will do, equation number 2 minus equation number 1 I will say. So first time I will write A plus 11D is equals to 47, and second A plus 9D is equals to minus 1. We are subtracting one equation from another equation, so we must and should change the signs of down equation. So plus 1 minus n will become plus sign, plus n will become minus n. So plus A minus A get cancelled. 11 minus 9, how much it will be? It is 2D is equals to 47 plus 1, it is 48. So that D is equals to 48 according to rule of transfer cross multiplication, send 2 down of RHS, that is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. That is D is equals to 24. Still we need to find the value of A. So just we find out the value of D. Now just substitute D value in any one equation. I will go for equation number 1. Space idea, space. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So equation number 1 is a plus 9d is equals to minus 1 is there. Now we have the value of d is 24. So that a is equal a plus 9 times of d value is 24 we got is equals to minus 1. That is a plus 9 4s are 36, 3 carry, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21 is equals to minus 1. That is a is equals to minus 1 plus 216. Send that side according to rule of transformation, it will become minus 216. So a is equals to minus means like signs should do addition. 216 plus 1 it is 217, but sign belongs to negative only. So we have d value, we have a value, so we can find out next, that is nth term of AP. What is the required formula for nth term of AP? It is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 of d. So that an is equals to a value is minus 217 plus n minus 1 of d value is 24. That is an is equals to minus 217 plus 24 into n, it is 24n, plus into minus, it is minus 24 ones are, it is 24. That is an is equals to 24n minus 217 minus 24, minus 217 minus 24, that is 7 plus 4 it is 11, 1 carry, 4 2. What type of? Minus 241. So that nth term of that AP will be 24n minus 241. Question number 3.
संजय सी, सुचान मीडियम, श्वेता, अपूर्वा, नितेश, सुचान मीडियम, अपूर्वा, अपूर्वा,
See dear students, here we have one more kind of problem. So third one it is the 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term, and the third term is 6 more than 2 times of its 6th term. Find its first 3 terms, he asked the question. So first of all, we should write down the given data, whatever he represented, what he given. So given data, what he given, let us see. Given about A13, he said the 13th term of an AP means A13 is equals to 2 times of its 10th term means A10, and the third term about A3 he said is equals to 6 more than means plus 6. 2 times means 2 times of 6th term means A6. Find its first 3 terms. Just he given this much of data only for us. Let us solve it. That is A13 means A plus 12D general form, that is equals to 2 times of, what is the general form of A10? It is A plus 9D. Now just solve it. A plus 12D is equals to 2 into A, 2A plus into plus plus 2 9s are 18D. Now solve, send these two terms second rule of transformation, that is 2A minus A plus 18D minus 12D is equals to 0. 2A minus A, it is A plus 18 minus 12, it is 6D is equals to 0, or A is equals to minus 6D. First term of that sequence A means it is A minus 6, A is equal to minus 6D. Again A3, solve it. A3 means A plus 2D, that is equals to 2 times of A6, that is A plus 5D plus 6, that is A plus 2D is equals to 2A plus 2 5s are 10D plus 6, that is 2A minus A plus 10D minus 2D plus 6 is equals to 0. So now 2A minus A, it is A plus 10 minus 2, it is 8D plus 6 is equals to 0. Now shall I introduce the value of A here according to equation number 1? See, in the equation number 1 we have A is equal to minus 6D. Just substitute here, that is minus 6D plus 8D plus 6 is equals to 0. Now minus 6D plus 8D, like terms having unlike signs should do subtraction. 8 minus 6, it is 2D plus 6 is equals to 0. According to rule of transformation, plus 6 send that side, what it will become? 2D is equals to minus 6, or D is equals to minus 6 over 2, 1s are 2, 3s are. So then D is equals to minus 3. Common difference we got here. What you need to find? A, A2, A3. A1 is question mark, A2 is question mark, A3 is question mark. To find A2, A3, we need to find first term and common difference of that sequence. So that common difference only we know now, right now. To find A value, just substitute D value in the equation number 1, so that A is equals to, otherwise I will solve that side. A is equals to minus 6D is there. Is it right? Okay. Now A is equals to minus 6 of minus 3. D value is. So then A is equals to minus into minus, it is plus 6 3s are 18. So first term we know, common difference we know, then we can easily find out A2, A3. Just A is equals to 18, it is nothing but A1, first term we find out it. Next A2, how to get A2? It is A plus D, then A2 is equals to A value is 18 plus common difference is minus 3, then A2 is equals to 18 plus into minus it is minus 3, A2 is equals to 15. A1 is 18, A2 is 15. Next, A3 is equals to A plus 2D, that is A3 is equals to A value is 18 plus 2 times of minus 3, then A3 is equals to 18 plus into minus it is minus 2 3s are 6, A3 is equals to 18 minus 6 it is 12. So finally we need to find the fact, therefore required 3 terms are, that is 18, 15 and 12. Okay, now we have to discuss another one concept in arithmetic progression, that is AM. What it is AM? It is not antimeridian. AM means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So what it means? For arithmetic mean, AM is equals to, we have the formula A plus B divided by 2. Arithmetic mean is equal to A plus B divided by 2. What it is? Just let us go for a sequence. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, let us. Here I have a sequence which belongs to arithmetic progression. What is meant by arithmetic mean? Very simple. Here I will collect 3 terms of an APE, that is 10, 15 and 20. If I don't know which number is present here, how to find? Very simple. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 10 plus 20 it is 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 15s are. So that absenting number is 15. So that is called arithmetic mean. Okay, I will collect few more numbers. Again next 3 I will collect. Now it is what it is there, 15 plus 25 divided by 2. 15 plus 25 it is 40 divided by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 20s are. So again we got this number like this. Arithmetic mean means the middlemost number of the sequence. If the 3 numbers are in AP, avu AP alidre matra. So like that we have some questions. So write down one question write down here. 20, x plus 3 and 30 are in AP. Find x. They may ask you the question like this. What number we have to take in the place of x if the 3 terms are in AP? We know that given data, write down first of all given data. What is given data? A is equals to 20 and B is equals to 30 and arithmetic mean AM is equals to what we have, x plus 3. So we know that we have one formula, that is arithmetic mean AM is equals to A plus B divided by 2. So arithmetic mean how much it is, x plus 3 is equals to A plus B, that is 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is x plus 3 is equals to 50 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 25s are, then x plus 3 is equals to 25. So plus 3 send that side, what you will get, x is equals to 25 minus 3, that is x is equals to 22. It means in the place of x you have to consider 22. Find x. See here I have one more kind of problem. It is also belongs to arithmetic mean only. Now here also write down the given data, that is what they given, A is equals to x plus 3 and B is equals to 30 and AM is equals to 20. Now just go for a required formula and solve it. We know that what we know, that is arithmetic mean AM is equals to A plus B divided by 2. Arithmetic mean how much it is, 20 is equals to A value is x plus 3 plus B value is 30 divided by 2, cross multiplication, 20 into 2 it is 40 is equals to x plus 3 plus 30 it is 33, that is 40. According to rule of transformation, this plus 33 will become minus 33 is equals to x, or x is equals to 7.